welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Murder investigation at Trattoria restaurant. Co-worker arrested. Drug trafficker arrested in Khubor district. Khhuborjylla elected chief executive member of KADC. And Khubor district continues nutritional support for TB patients. And now the news in detail. A murder case unfolded at Trattoria restaurant, Central Ward, Barik Lashumir, following a report received at 10:20 a.m. on the 28th from the owner Shri Batskem Suting. The victim, identified as 41-year-old Srimati Demonica Lalu, was found dead on the ground floor of the establishment. Lalu, a cleaner at the restaurant, was suspected to have been murdered. A team from Sadar police station along with senior officers quickly responded to the scene, where forensic experts and crime scene investigators assisted in collecting evidence. The investigation led to the arrest of 42-year-old Shri Sunai Singh, a co-worker who confessed to the crime. Singh revealed that the murder stemmed from a heated argument on February 27th after an affair between the two. The body was concealed near a transformer at the KIP Assembly Conference Center. The murder weapon, a hollow iron pipe, was recovered. The accused has been arrested and will be produced in court.
A lot of processes are still taking place. FSL, CSU are all here. A woman has been suspected to be murdered, and we've already zeroed on the culprit. We've taken all the steps required in investigation, and some steps need to be completed, the inquest and all that. But I can say now that we've actually zeroed out on the culprit, and there's enough evidence to be the culprit.
So is this a murder or something?
It is. I'll give you a press release.
Police in Khubor district arrested a drug trafficker on Tuesday night after conducting a raid on a tourist vehicle travelling from Guwahati to Shillong. The suspect, identified as Rajat Paul from Assam, was apprehended near Mautnom on National Highway 6. Acting on a tip-off, police searched the vehicle and seized 36.3 grams of heroin and a mobile phone from Paul. Chief Superintendent of Police V.S. Rathore confirmed that the arrest and stated that the investigation into the drug seizure is ongoing. Further details about the case will be revealed as the probe progresses.
एक साथी था 9, 10, 11 सस्पेक्ट को साइन कराओ
The election for the Chief Executive Member CEM of the JHADC was held on 28 February following the election of the Speaker. The election saw Ba Khuborjylla face off against Ba Madan Bai Rambai with only 20 MDCs participating in the vote. 8 MDCs from the VPP chose not to partake. Dr. Sanki Shangpung conducted the polling, which resulted in Khubor securing 17 votes, while Madan Bai received just 3 votes. The Speaker officially announced Ba Khuborjylla as the new CEM, marking the end of the previous Executive Committee's team. Following the announcement, members of the new Executive Committee, including Madan Bai Rambai, Humbertus Nongtudu, Chrisen Langstang and Medling M. Swear, extended their congratulations. They urged Khubor to lead the council effectively, highlighting the financial crisis that had plagued the JHADC in recent years.
In connection with this, 3 nomination papers have been received prescribed in the class 2 and 3 of Road of the Assam and Meghalaya Constitution of this Council, Rules 1951, as adopted and amended. The first nomination papers nominated the name of the Khuborjylla, proposed by the Humbertus Nongtudu and seconded by the Khhuborjylla. And the second paper also nominated Sri Khuborjylla, and the same is proposed by Sri Nulet Koryat and seconded by Sri Khuborjylla. And the third nomination paper nominated the name of Sri Madan Bai Rambai, proposed by Sri Laudi Yama Kete and seconded by Sri Khuborjylla. And upon scrutiny of all nomination papers are found valid and hence accepted. Since there are 2 members nominated for the post of Chief Executive Member, in the pursuance of Rules 20, read Rule 32, Short Rule 4 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District, Constitution of District Councils, Rules 1951, as adopted and amended, the Council shall proceed to elect the Chief Executive Member by ballot. Bagaimana program sama? Kita kasih ballot. Mulai dari open tertabur dok sini, kemudian report soal kut yang sutri juga legislatif sama juga ballot bebas. Pas lagi mulai mah, ini mulai kan faktor yang sama.
District Tuberculosis Office in Ribhoi District has continued its efforts to support TB patients by distributing nutritious food items. On the latest occasion, 17 TB patients still undergoing treatment received these food items at a program held at Umsning CHC. Dr. E. Kalwing, District Tuberculosis Officer, along with Dr. W. Khan and Dr. N. Marbanyang, felicitated the distribution. The food items developed under the Meghalaya State-Specific Initiative and Innovation Nutritional Support are aimed at providing essential vitamins to help patients combat TB during their medication. As part of the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program, NTEP, Ribhoi District has already distributed nutritional support to 33 TB patients, contributing towards the goal of making India TB-free.
Palat dia kata, dia habang akisit, ngasudi video dawai kisit, dia hadin pat ngasujur ho be, dia nayin kijonga kiong ba, litas no mo, dia ngalawan ken dalawan, ningkong kimlap, dia ngawan ngalit no syaye ngalit hai no, dia dalah hadin pat, dia ngates biasa isian ngaklem, lo ngaklem ken no kenya kata jing tes, dengan tes biang. Hadin kilap ken dalalapat kasngu diawi kamen siam tang ba Henry ngakemen pat ba haka met ke jonga mo long ngadon kata ka jingpang Henry ngadi ban sumareka te kawi pat habang aladi kidawai te kayarap shibun hi namar khamtame ba habal adon ka jingthut haka met te ladon pat kidawai banyada te kalong ka kham yo jingmentoy shibun ya ka jing im ya jing long briu ka jongi mo te hagani upor pat masnu ban ai khublei ya ki khamtam ya officer madam mo iba pek kumnu pat bang ngin bam ki jing bam ki ba kumnu ngin hapek amdei bangin bam ki ta ki jing bam ki ba ibom dei mo ki bam te ya kamet ka jongi khamtam ya habang ngidi dawai ru hitep hi habdi lai teli ki ba he di dawai te hasyo bangin di ru ni haperkhat namar bale ngin lahi bandi tingi don kam ban bam ni kini jing bam tinga ai khubleru ya katen NTEB jongka Ribhoi mo bakal abu kini program khamta mengi ki nongpang ki ba kinpet kham benya ken ba kumnu mangi ni di ban sumar bat khamtam ba kumnu mangi di ya ki dawairu bangin sumar khna bangin penja no ikini jingpang ho don nangi ki ba don jing susi ladangi yo kan ki jingpang haladiru ngasem ya kata nomor beli ki parlok parajor mo ki bahaying ru don ki kiar lo Henry ngin nam don ken kom kata ngin long bek kum bajulong Henry tang ba ngin don pat kathong bangin bat kawi.
On 28th February, the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Srimati R.M. Kurba, conducted the election for the post of Speaker of the newly formed KADC Assembly. Following the election, Ba Strong Pillar Khuborjylla was announced as the new speaker. His election was met with cheers and celebrations from both the ruling and opposition parties, who expressed their joy and support for his appointment. After the announcement, members of the KADC, including Ba Shamborlang Renja, Ba Titos Khan, Kong Rona Khumdet, Ba Riki Shulai, Kong Grace Mary Kharpuri, Ba Lurshai Kharbani, Ba Sebor Warba, Ba Powell Soklet, Kong Deti H. Majau and Ba Srali Rashir of the Mokshanrut constituency extended their congratulations to Ba Khuborjylla. They expressed strong confidence that under his leadership, the KADC will function smoothly and effectively in the coming years. The members of the assembly are hopeful that the new speaker will guide the council towards success.
At 11 a.m. Accordingly, one nomination paper was received and after scrutiny, the same is found to be in order and hence accepted. The nomination paper is in favor of Sri Strong Pillar Khuborjylla. His name was proposed by Winston Tony and seconded by Sri Sebor Warba accordingly. As Sri Strong Pillar Khuborjylla is the only candidate for the office of chairman, therefore, in exercise of the power conferred upon me under subsection 4 of section 32 of chapter 2 of Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District, Constitution of District Councils, Rules 1951, as amended, I hereby declare that Shri Khubor has been duly elected, uncontested, as the new chairman of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.